along.
Pay attention to the road. That's staying in the video. I'm not deleting it. Anyway. Hi guys, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. We're having family shenanigans today, so I thought that I would take you guys along. And whoa, I'm sorry if this is a little bouncy because we're getting on the highway. But we're going to see if we can find a dishwasher that fits in our kitchen and maybe look at some couches and just go, yeah, have family shenanigans. So everybody say hi, Justin. He exists. I never get to film him. He does exist. He's driving us right now. And we're gonna go have some fun chauffeuring Olivia and I to the store. And we're gonna go have some fun and we're gonna take you guys with us. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. Hi, Dolly. What's Daddy getting? Snips.
Snipperoonies? No, you're not playing with those.
Oh, you can't play with snips. They're pokey. You can't play with pokey things, right?
Snips, alright.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Here we go.
That's what I need.
Where else are we gonna go? Say vroom vroom.
Boom,
No.
boom, boom. Okay, dishwasher. Something stuff over here.
We've never been here before, so we have no idea where we're going. You found Mommy?
You find her?
Here I am. Hi. You found me.
There she is.
Say hi. What are we doing, little monkey? We're looking for a dishwasher. These are washers and dryers. But we're going to see if we can find a dishwasher. Oh, that's a fancy oven. What's this? It's big. It's too big. Found microwave ovens. That's not what we're looking for, though. Oh, we've gone too far. Yeah. I don't know, I only saw 2 dishwashers, though. Oh, here. There's the whole aisle of them. Where's their twinkle lights? Okay, we are looking. We're gonna see if any of them are the right size. These are all, yeah, these are all way too big. These are too big. Yeah. Aw, snap. Oh, look at this cute little oven, though. Oh, this is the kind of oven I want. I'm not allowed to get a new oven, but this is the kind of oven I want because look how little it is. And it doesn't take up any room in your house. Aww.
One in the basement now.
Yeah.
The basement.
What are these?
Just a regular piece of the fabric.
Oh. I see. That's for like your back porch or something. Okay, we took a detour. We're looking at rugs. But they don't have anything big enough, so we're leaving. Nothing is the right size for our little house. I'm just gonna look at them.
Let's see what they got.
These are like top of the line baller. Okay, this is more like it. This is more, no.
Okay, decent one. We're gonna get one. Let's see.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's like the one that we have already up there at the top.
$109 one?
Yeah. But is the same thing going to happen again? Is it going to start shooting water all over the window again? This is pretty. Is this... That turns into a sprayer.
Does that fall off?
No, but you click it and it turns into a sprayer. That's like the one my mom has.
You get one.
This one's pretty.
There you go.
Oh, they pull out. You just can't because they're in the store. You just can't pull on them because they're mounted on the wall.
Pull down spray.
Yeah. These are pretty. Yeah, I kind of like.
Dispenser. I kind of like that too.
Well, we had that we have the soap dispenser, but the thing underneath it broke. So we just have to get the little bottle for the underneath of it to make it work again.
You want to get one? How about this one?
That one's pretty, but it's like 20 bucks more.
So?
Why? Is it 20 bucks more?
This glass you're looking, you got the little thing you pull off, you got the little buttons on the side. This one don't got no buttons. Oh,
Yes, it does. It's got the button in the back
this
of
one's
it.
got two though.
That's why it's 20 bucks more.
Button, man.
I don't know, I like that one. Okay, we're going to Lowe's now because Menards didn't have small enough dishwashers, and the guy said that the ones that they have were as small as they come, but that's not true because we've actually found smaller ones, or Justin found smaller ones online, so we're going on the interwebs, which is where you're watching this video right now. So
Series of tubes.
we're gonna go across the street to Lowe's and see if we can find a dishwasher there. Wish us luck. Dang. See, everything we're finding is just a little bit too big. Yeah, these are dishwashers, little monkey. They look so much smaller when they're just sitting here. That's the thing is, I'm like, this is not as tall as our countertop, but you must have to be You must have to have a certain amount of clearance or something for your countertop.
Okay, you know what? Remember when you got your legs back? Back like that.
It's just cabinets. Is that all they have? Really? Is 2? Wow. There's even less selection here. We thought for sure that we would get more selection of dishwashers, so we're gonna just keep looking around. Not really finding anything today, guys. Did you find more? There's more. They're like all the same size. Let's take a closer look. So now we're in a furniture showroom. We're gonna see if we can find a decently priced couch. We want like a sectional like that. But sometimes those can be super pricey because you literally have to buy them in sections. But we're gonna just look around and see what they have today and kind of go from there. Love seats are kind of cute, huh?
Yeah.
You want me to carry her for a little bit? I can carry her, babe, if you want me to. This one's...
We're just looking around right now.
Yeah.
Appreciate it though.
I'm gonna look back over here, okay, honey? This is the one that I liked. It's cute. I like this one a lot. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So we're back in the car and we just went to Menards and Lowe's, and neither one of them has small enough dishwashers for us, so we think we're gonna look online and see if we can find one that's smaller and maybe make it work in the space that we have, and if not, we have to like rearrange half of the kitchen. So this was more like an information run, and then we went and we looked at some couches and we saw some really pretty ones, but we still want to look at a couple more places. So if we go, we're not doing that today, but if we go back to that store another day, or if we go back to look at some couches another time, we'll let you guys know and we'll take you with us. And I think I'm going to end the video here because it's been kind of a busy morning and I just don't know how much I have So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like these kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and click the notifications so that you get notifications when I make a new video. And leave us a comment if you like this video, and if you guys are the kind of people who like small dishwashers, or if you've ever had to get a small dishwasher or something like that, let us know if you found one that you like, or you know where to get one or anything like that. So thanks for watching, you guys,